If you've driven on State Route 60 between Ontario and Riverside lately, you've surely noticed the roadway is in disrepair. Caltrans is taking action with the 60 Pavement Rehabilitation Project, one of multiple 60 swarm projects starting in summer 2019. Funded in part by SB1 gas tax revenues, this pavement rehabilitation project will repair, repave, and restripe the roadway and the on- and off-ramps on 18 miles of State Route 60 between the cities of Ontario and Riverside. The project will also make sidewalk improvements for ADA compliance at the intersections of the freeway ramps and surface streets. The $134.5 million project will take nearly 2.5 years and will include 15 full, directional, weekend freeway and ramp shutdowns from the end of July through mid-November 2019. This means that the 60 freeway will be closed in one direction at a time from the I-15 to the 60-91-215 interchange for 55 hours, from 10 p.m. on Friday nights to 5 a.m. on Monday mornings. The closures will start in the eastbound direction, closing all eastbound lanes and ramps for 8 weekends. When completed, the closures will move to the westbound lanes and ramps for 7 weekends. Businesses will remain open during freeway closures. The eastbound detour during the weekend freeway shutdowns will use the I-15 North, the I-10 East, and the I-215. Or motorists may use I-15 South and the 91 East. The westbound detour is the opposite direction on the same freeways. The 60 swarm also includes the Caltrans Bridge Replacement Project that will replace 3 bridges at Pipeline Avenue, Monte Vista Avenue, and Benson Avenue in the city of Chino. The vertical clearances on these bridges are being raised to current standards to mitigate overheight loads from hitting the structures. Work on the bridge project will begin in summer 2019 and will include nighttime lane and freeway shutdowns in the construction area for approximately 2 years. Know before you go and visit the project website at 60swarm.com for more information or to receive related text or email alerts. The toll-free construction hotline is 833-60-SWARM or 833-607-9276. Please drive safely, reduce your speed, and be work zone alert.